Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody, and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 20. 1 month is there now. Complete 1 month has been done. 4 weeks we have completed, I can say. So yesterday what we discussed is that Atul, we are bringing the data in service now via transform map. We saw yesterday, right? We created the import set, we put the data, and we bring the data in the ServiceNow instance. Now let me say that I have a two instance. One is my instance, that is dev, and one is another instance that is for Kumar, and that is my test instance. Now how I can bring the same data from dev to test? To simple answer, create the import set, create the transform map, bring it. No. The answer is clear no. Because we use the transform map, we use the import set only and only to load the data at a once and only in the dev instance. I give an example. Let's say you are studying in a school now. Maybe you are in the standard 2, standard 3. Okay. Let's say example of the university. You are doing your graduation or the post graduation from the university. It's a 3 years course. Okay, what happened? Who's saying mine is not working? EB, I need to be checked. Give me some time, EB. I'll do that part. Okay. Now let's say you will be doing graduation and you're in the year 1, first year. You have a name, you have a roll number. When you clear your first year, you go to the second year. Do you think that your roll number has been changed? No, it will be same. Do you think that your university registration number has been changed? No, it will be same. If any person, any new student want to be join this course, even though he need to be joined from the second year, but the university record will be created from the first year itself. That this is a student, it is his registration number and first year roll number and the second year roll number is this. This roll number play a vital role now in the system. This roll number play a vital role in the system now. I'm resetting your password, EB. Same password which I put in the chat window, and I'm putting it a reset for you. Try now. Okay, so this roll number play a vital role. Now let me do one thing. Let me create a user. Okay, let me create a user in the Kumar instance. Let come here. And Kumar has given me the detail for 104203. Oh, Kumar is not there. Anybody else has a instance open at point of time? His instance has been sleeping mode. Anybody who's using the PDI? Kumar is not there, right? Khushbu, are you using your own PDI? Priya, anybody using the own PDI?
Mine is also sleeping right now.
Okay. Can you wake it up quickly?
Yes, I'm trying.
And just create a quickly username password for me with the admin rights. Quick. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll show you one in the meantime. So when I say that you no need to be create the import set. or the transfer map in the upper instance. When I say the upper means the data has been bring in service now only once, and that is in the dev instance. After that, if you want to do anything on that data, means if I can say you want to bring the data from dev to test, we are using the import through the XML. What do you mean by the import? Let me say that I want, or okay, let me say, give the example that why this roll number part is required. I am a user who is in the production instance at point of time. Okay. I raise an incident to the service desk. I'm not able to approve a change. They said, okay, no problem. Service desk go into the production instance and they will check my account. Okay, so we say SD, log into the prod and check what is your name. My name is Atul Grover. Okay, you're Atul Grover. Yes, you have a rights. You have a ITIL role and you have approval as well. Then why I'm not able to log in? They log in into the test instance or maybe the dev instance. They again check username Atul Grover. Here also you have a right. Okay. Now they're not able to identify that what is the issue. And this is again a practical thing, guys. This is again a practical part I'm telling you. In this case, what happened? These two look similar. This and this looks similar. But there is a difference. Like I say to my PN, go to the standard 8 and call the rule number 15. Go to the standard 7 and call roll number 15. In the both cases, the roll number 15 is Akanksha's name. Okay. But now the confusion is that which roll number need to be updated. Both Akanksha came and reached to the account department. Sir, my name is Akanksha. Okay. You called me. Okay. Then what? Now the account person get confused. Which Akanksha have to be taught? Is the roll number 15 from the class 7 or roll number 15 from the class number 8? This thing will be differentiated by the roll number. Okay, tell me your roll number. Sir, my name is Akanksha, class 7, roll number 15. Okay, yes, I want to talk to you. Not the roll number 15 from the class number 8. Right? So the thing is that when we work on the data movement, and this is only and only for the foundation data, guys. Now, if I want to move the EB's account in Khushbu's instance, I have a two ways. Number one, I can create it account manually. EB copy paste and create it. Khushbu, is it ready?
No, still sleeping.
Okay. Even I don't have any other one. It will take some time, but do it quickly if you can.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So now let me see. If I want to move EB account from this instance to the another instance. Simple. Atul, you have multiple options. Number one, create manually. A copy paste part. Okay. Otherwise, do via import set. Okay. Fine, I agree. You can create manually because it is a one account. But I have 100 users which I move from dev to test or the production environment. What to do now? Then Atul, manually part is not working because you have to copy paste. It will create a problem for you. Import set, yes, it is the option, but not correct option. The reason being, if I do the import set, then the sys ID of my record will be different. The sys ID of my record will be different. Like our university registration number, when we take admission in the university, a registration number has been given by university to us. That is remains same across your journey in the university. Either you are in a graduation, in the post graduation, in the doctoral, anywhere you are, any course you are doing. But that will be remain same for a longer time until unless you moved out or you take your migration and take it out from that part. Okay. Clear till this point, guys? Everybody clear? So now I want to show you the practical part, that why I am saying that moving via XML is the best option, not via creation of the manually or the import set. Khushbu, what is the status?
Yeah, still loading. Nothing
Okay.
is happening actually. I think my internet is very slow here, so that's why it's taking time. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Is Kumar joined back? He's on leave today, I guess. Okay, I was not aware that it is not working. Otherwise, I'll work it tomorrow. Yesterday only. Okay, now let me come back in the meantime. So what we can do, right click and import, or sorry, export via XML. But now question come, Atul, do I need to do this exercise for every record one by one? No. So what we can do, or maybe just for the example I'm showing for the EB's account as of now, not for everyone. I'm just waiting for Khushbu's instance to be wake up and she can share the details with me. In the meantime, anybody has any issue here, any doubt, any clarification required?
Atul, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead, please, Khushbu.
Suppose you has a admin role, right?
Okay.
And you move the data from your instance to Khushbu instance.
Okay.
So what role Khushbu has? I mean, admin, yeah, any other?
No, so when I move the data, so now let's say you are moving from one country to the another country.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
But it doesn't mean that it's changing your attributes. You're still a woman, you're still a lady, you're still
Yes.
a married lady, and you still have a family.
Hmm.
It is just the country has been changed, nothing else in the background. You will still have the same accounts in same rights, same role in the
But Khushbu has a ITIL role, so it will
where
work.
where Khushbu has the ITL role. When you say Khushbu has the ITL role, in my instance or your instance you're talking.
Khushbu instance, I'm talking.
So no problem. You have that. That's fine. Okay, to do the import, you need the admin rights actually. You cannot
Yes.
bring the data. So you cannot import the data in your instance if you don't have a admin rights
Yeah.
in your instance as well, because these all are the admin activities.
Okay.
Okay. Is it up now, Khushbu?
Yes, yeah. I'm
Okay.
creating.
What is the instance name? Dev.
Yeah, I am copying.
Can you ping me quickly on the WhatsApp chat? Username and the password.
I am putting it here. and password also.
Yes.
Yes, just a minute.
And I need your instance again, Khushbu, when we're doing the update set movement. Okay.
Okay.
So make sure it's up and running. I'll give you the little advance notice in a day one advance notice so that you can make it as a running state.
So this is the password. It's a
Where you
big
ping?
one.
Okay, in the chat.
In this chat.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Let me pick up. Okay, 103.145. Okay, 103.145. What is my username?
Atul G.
Okay, let me this. G password is this. Login. Good. It's asking for creation a new password. Good. And hope you give me the admin rights, right?
Yeah.
Good. So now let's do one thing quickly, guys. Okay. So this is my instance and this is Khushbu instance. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. I'll create EB account here manually. Just to show that why I'm putting that XML movement is the best option. Create new. Okay. Let me copy paste the details. Just for the reference, I'm doing it. Now I done this part, right? Okay. Now let me create a save here. Now tell me, by seeing this account and by seeing this account, do you find any comparison? No. EB, EB, EB Nizvi, EB Nizvi. Number is this, number is this. Now, if I give an example, let's say I want to update EB's mobile number. Okay. From my instance to EB's instance. What I will do now, let me click on the save and let me download export as a XML. Okay. XML has been exported. I'll go here, go to the user table, right click, import XML, go to my location and update and upload. Why it's giving me the error? It's saying unique key violation detected by database. Because it check that this name is already exist in the database of this one. Let me put like this. Not here. Let me not do this. Let me change EB name here. Okay, let me change EB name here as a EBS. Sorry. Yes, and save. Oh, I'm not saving it. Okay. Now let me bring this again. Go here and import XML. Show and this and this. Upload. Now why these two accounts have been created? There should not be, it should not create the two account for the EB. This is what I created. This is what, when I done the XML part, it has been created. Okay. Now, if you want to see the difference, open this account, open this account. Everything is similar. If I say, if I go via first name, email, everything is similar. The difference is between the sys ID. This is for EBS and this is for EB. This is the difference here. It means if you create a user, if you create the data fresh in the test instance, in the production instance, the sys ID for the two things will be different. Let me show you one more example here, just to be clear more part. Let me come here and let's have a group. Okay, we have a group called this thing, batch learning training. Let's create this group here. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, nothing else is required. That's fine. Save, submit it. Now let me come here and make a change in the description. This is my LNG group. Okay, save. Now I want to move this group from my instance to the Khushbu instance. I'll go here. What was my group? Is a batch, right? Now I right click, import XML, choose this and this, upload. Now let me refresh it. Hey, wow, why it's be getting like this? This is my new LNG group. How it's be updating it? I'm surprised. 04 sysID 02. Maybe it's taking something new has been added by service now here, or it's not working properly. Otherwise, it should give an error because the sys ID are not matching. The purpose of telling you one thing here is that if you want to move any data, don't create the new transfer map in the another environment. And you know that how the data move in the production. It is never via import set. The data is always moved via XML. So how the movement work actually, if I tell you, like I create the data in dev, then the data move from dev to test to UAT to prod. I created only this place and move from this to this to this. I'm not creating any new data here. So now let's take example. If I want to bring all the users here, let's say I want to bring all users whose name ending with the batch 8. What you can do, right click and export in XML so that all records will be exported now. So it says, see, 21 records has been exported. Download. And now what I will do, I will go to the Khushbu's account here. See, it takes time because it's a heavy one. Now I'll go to the Khushbu's account and go to the user table, right click, import XML, this, open and upload. It's uploading, I'm sure. It will take time, but it will upload. So via this method, yep. So via this method, you upload. The why I am not recommending to create the same data in the test, because otherwise the sys ID will be different. These two accounts, EB and EB. The only difference between these two accounts are the sys ID, which is not a recommended case. The sys ID is the parameter. Now if I search, let me say if I search for the EB, see these 23 records has been created. Now you want to see, created. See these 23, which the batch 8 has been created here. Now if I want to be see EB, which EB I want to be used, this one or this one. You know how I can make a search in service now. Quick search. Go here. You can search via sys ID as well. Put here sys ID is, and I can copy the sys ID. Like this. Because your roll number in the class is your identity, irrespective of what name you're carrying, what father name you're carrying, what address you'll be carrying. Being a developer, we never rely on the user ID or this English text. We always rely on the sys ID. Another important point, you cannot bring sys ID in this place. Search it, you will not find. You cannot bring the sys ID in the list view. This has been restricted by service now, but you can search any record via sys ID. Any record via sys ID, you can search it. Okay, so this is the purpose to tell you that why we are be looking or why we are be putting the things that if you want to move the data from one instance to another instance in service now, always use the import or export via XML. So you are importing it now. Now it doesn't mean that if I get another PDI, I will download it from here. No, I will use the same, these only. These XMLs only. Either it's a Kumar instance, either EB instance, either MJ instance, either any instance. I will use the same only. Same XML I'm using. Okay, so it's like once you prepared a food, now either you're staying half an hour at a place or 1 hour in the picnic, you will still having the same food. So it is like the food preparation has been done at home at a once. And during your journey, if you stay for half an hour or if you stay for 1 hour, if you stay for 2 hours, still you are going to be eat the same food again and again and again. You're not making the new food on the journey. No, you're using the same food on the journey now. This is what this concept says. Everybody clear till this point now? Any doubt, any question? Good. Now the question come. I'm putting an open question here. So Atul, if you say that data movement will be done via XML, it means is the same thing apply for the update sets as well. See, we are doing the changes in the instance, right? If you go here, we are doing the changes. Let's see what changes we have done. These many changes we have done. Let it be load, my update side load. See, these many changes we have done. Till now we have done 460 changes. How this will be moved? This is also moved via XML only. This is also again moved via XML only. Okay, but we will not discuss this concept now because it is not as of now required here. Let me come back. Akanksha, Omiko, Ugo, Dipsy, EB, Gloria, MJ, Khushbu, Ima, Priya. Any doubt, any question in this concept?
So has the update set already moved
No.
when we moved? No, it didn't. Okay.
It
We
is
have
still,
to.
we have to move the so the exercise which we
Okay.
done now, the movement of the data, we will do the same exercise when we're moving for the update set, but it is little different and tricky to do that part.
Okay.
That is when I say that I need your instance now for this thing as well, for update set and for the integration as well. I will use your instance.
Okay.
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 Okay, everybody clear? Can I say some reaction in the chat window or maybe on the screen? Happy, not happy, clear, not clear, any doubt? You can ask. Okay, good. Now let me take you a very interesting topic. Okay, and I strongly recommend, guys, very strongly I recommend, don't take a leave next week. We are starting a topic called the request management. It is one of the major topic in our syllabus which take 4 to 5 days. And once the topic completed, I can say approximately 60 to 70% syllabus has been covered. A lot of things we're going to be discussed in that particular topic. Now let me come back here for the beginning of that topic. How you order food from the market. Dipsy, how you order groceries from the market? Tell me.
Online.
Online. What do you mean by the online?
You either use Instacart or you just place your order and it's delivered to your door.
Okay. EB, how you order grocery online?
From Walmart?
From the Walmart. How you go do you go to Walmart?
No, I create an account and then I order on the account and they deliver it.
Okay. Gloria, how you do the grocery online? Priya, how you order the outfits online?
By Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart.
How?
Or,
How?
mm,
Ima, how you do? How you do or how you order grocery online? Khushbu, how you do? Order online or maybe your outfits or something for your
Yeah.
baby or.
First I put the URL of the website. Then I sign in. Then I check the cart. I mean catalog.
Okay.
Then select add to the
Okay.
cart. And then if I'm fine with the cart, then I will pay and put the order.
Okay. Fine. MJ, what you do for if your kid demands that they need some toy? How you order them online? MJ, go ahead.
Go to the
Definitely.
website,
Go to website. Then what?
select what I want,
Okay.
put in a cart. You're selecting, put it in the cart, then check out.
Okay. Ugo, you want to give something to me? How you order online?
Same thing they said. You go to the website, you go to their items or catalog, you pick your items to the cart.
Okay.
Then
It means you accepted that you're going to be give something to me. No problem. I'll give you my address. Okay.
check it.
Fine. So now everybody is saying almost the same thing. Atul, we will go to the website. We'll log in with the username, ID, password. We'll see that what item I'm looking for. It's outfit or accessories or something on the electronics part, some gadget, something. We'll see the budget. We'll click on the add to cart, go to the basket, check out, put the address, do the payment, and it will be delivered. Very nice. Do you guys think anytime that how these things work in the background? Atul, I don't bother these things. It is not my area. Now let me change this example and then definitely you will be worried. Okay. Let's say you join a new company. Okay. Your manager is Mr. X. He says that Ima, EB, Olu or Ugo, you're the new joiners. Please raise a request for the laptop and a mobile phone because you're in a project where you'll be getting laptop and the mobile phone. Fine, happy. What you do, you get your desktop, you log in, open the website, put the request for the laptop and the mobile phone. Let's say Ugo is a senior manager and rest are the junior. Okay, Ugo is getting an option. She can order the MacBook as well. I'm putting a different cases because these are the things which we are going to be discussed very soon. Okay, Ugo is a senior manager. She is getting an option to order the MacBook, where Olu is not a senior manager. She is just a associate. She is getting a option to order normal laptop. They both put their order. Click on the submit. They get an email. Because in a company, you don't need to be paid. It has been paid by your company itself. Okay. They both get an email. Thank you, Ulo. Thank you, Ugo, for ordering. Your request is pending for approval to your manager. Okay. Now your manager will go. He also get an email that your associate Ugo and Olu place order or request for a laptop. Kindly check and approve or reject. That's fine. Manager go to the same website with his ID, username, password, and he approves both of the things. One MacBook for Ugo and one normal laptop for Olu. Okay, done. Once this has been approved, the request go to the IT department. IT department check, do we have the MacBook in the stock or not? Yes, we have. Okay. IT team says, okay, fine. They will get a MacBook. They will open it. They will install the OS. They will update the patches. They will upgrade the security policies, XYZ, all the things they have done. They will do. They will take 3 days in that part. After doing that part, they send that laptop to the user department, where the user ID configuration will be started. Means to whom this laptop should be assigned, who will be logging into this laptop, is this connected with the Azure or not, how the SSO work, all the things. They take another 2 days. After 2 days, they send an email to Ugo. Hello Ugo, as per the request, your laptop is ready. Please come and collect it from this room number at this floor. Ugo is in office, so she said, okay. Ugo, go there, take a laptop and come back. Now this is the whole process. And this whole process has a lot of new terminologies to be discussed. Number one part, the interface. I'm replacing the words which you guys use is called the website. Maybe I'm not sure that why you're using the website. Everybody has a mobile phone. Everybody using the apps nowadays. You can say Atul, I can order from the app. But let's find that's not an issue. Okay. You guys are saying that Atul, I log into the website and do some order. In ServiceNow, that website has been replaced with the concept called the service portal, or you can say the portal, P-O-R-T-A-L, number 1 point. Now for the next 5 days, when I talk about the service portal or when I talk about the word portal, I'm referring to a kind of a website, number 1 point. Second, manager says go and raise a request for the laptop. Ugo log into that portal with the credential and looking for that laptop. That laptop is called here as a request item, which you are going to be request now. So like on the Amazon website, on the Walmart website, on the Flipkart website, on the Myntra website, the last thing which you're going to be order, the item you're going to be, the product you're going to be order, it's called the catalog item. Maybe utensils, maybe dal, maybe oats, maybe milk, maybe cheese, maybe paneer, maybe curd, maybe yogurt, maybe outfits, maybe jeans, maybe top, maybe belt, maybe purse, maybe watch, maybe anything you'll be ordering. These concepts, these things called item in our ServiceNow world, and that is called the request item. Third point, the process which Ugo's manager told, go to the system, go to the portal and raise a request, I will approve. This concept is called the approval workflow. Okay, this concept is called the workflow, specifically workflow, and approval is one activity in that workflow. If I say in a layman example, I'm sure everybody know this word called the flow chart. In 7th, 8th or 9th classes, the definition come in the computer book. What do you mean by the word flow chart? Flow chart says pictorial representation of step-by-step execution is called the flow chart. What is workflow? Execution step is called the workflow. Okay, so now these things are coming from the workflow. Now Ugo's manager approved the request. What next? It go to IT team for checking the stock. It go to user team for configuring. Now how these two teams come to know that we have to do this work? This concept is called the task management. Every team is knowing that what I have to do. Let's say example, you place some order from the Walmart or maybe from the Tesco or maybe from the Amazon or maybe from the Myntra. You place order today and you get an email. Your order has been successfully placed. Will you get an email that your product has been delivered immediately? No. Will you get a message that your product is out of delivery? No. Will you get a message that your order has been dispatched? Yes. Until unless it is not dispatched, you will not get a message that it has been out for the delivery. Until unless it is out for the delivery, you will not get a message that it has been delivered to you. Nobody sitting in the background who is creating this task. Hey, you have to do this thing, you have to do this thing, you have to do this thing. No, nobody sitting in the background. This is all going via the task management. And workflow is the concept which we use in this area. To be more smart for you guys, ServiceNow introduced new concept in the last release, and in the latest release they emphasize more. That is called the flow. Priya, take the homework for today. Question number 1. Create. Okay, not create specifically. Question number 1, because you cannot do this XML movement, so that's fine. Read about workflow versus flow in ServiceNow. I'm giving you homework for the next 2 or 3 days. Don't worry. Number 1, read about the difference between REQ. Mention like this only. Read about the word REQ hyphen RITM. These 2 words. REQ stand for the request item. Sorry, REQ stand for the request number and RITM stand for the requested item. Read about this. Third point. Read about the difference between order guide versus record producer versus requested item. As I told that this batch is going to be advanced batch now. You had to be ready with this concept. Record producer versus order guide versus request item, RITM. Okay. Now everybody clear that what we are going to be do. The basic concept for the next 3 or 4 days classes. Everybody clear on that part? Can I get some reaction here? This example is going to be a base for you guys now. The next 5 days or the 4 days class will be totally depend on this example. Now let me take you on the tour of the service portal, because ServiceNow give a lot of things to us. They are giving, if you remember the day 1 part, let me try to open it. So now what we have done, we've done few things here. What we done till now? Hey, we not done anything, yeah? So now, okay. Now we're talking about this concept. Yes, service portal, ye wala. It is the interface. We're talking about this. And to interact with this, we have to be use this thing. Flow designer. Okay, we will do service catalog. These 2 are the major part of our next 4 days class. So like when you say, you guys says, Atul, I log into website. Like Dipsy says, EB says that I log into Walmart website. That website has been created by Walmart. Priya says I order from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. These website has been created by those companies. Then what ServiceNow is giving to us? ServiceNow is giving to me the concept called the service portal. Let me close all this and let me come here. Stand for the service portal. Now you can call this as a website. You can call this as anything. But for me, it is a service portal. When I say guys log in to the service portal, it means I'm talking about you have to be login with the instance /sp. Okay, you have to be login via /sp. Again, it is not a magic. This is this page you are able to see. It is all configuration. how to create this portal. We will discuss now. But before that, let me give you the overview. If I open this, what is this? Very smartly, you guys say it is an Amazon website. But if you ask me, it is a portal for me. It is a interface for me. What you can do on the portal? Tell me what you can do on the portal. EB, you log into the Walmart website. What you can do in that website?
You can create a user account.
Okay. What
and
next?
Then when you create the account, you can now purchase whatever you need to purchase and then
Okay.
pay for it.
What else?
After the purchase,
Okay. What else?
you can browse the website to look
What
at whatever.
else? What else?
I don't know what else.
No, you have to be think. This is what the consulting says. You are thinking only those things which you are using at point of time. How many time? Okay, in your mobile phone, we have a lot of applications available. How many time you check the well-being as an application? How many check the storage application? Okay, let me, okay, that fine, EB. I'm not pointing out, but that's fine. Let me come to Priya. Priya, you say that you use Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra for the outfits ordering, right?
Yes.
What you do on that websites? Tell me. What things you can do on that web?
Sorry?
What things you can do on the website?
I purchase anything like clothes, वगैरह and
Okay,
etc.
okay, then next.
Pay the electricity bill.
Okay, next.
Recharge.
Next.
Um, transfer money.
Next.
Mm, and
Okay. Ema. Oh, Ema left. Gloria, can you able to speak now if your headphone is working properly? Okay, not able to hear you. Ugo, unmute yourself, please. Ugo, unmute, please.
You said?
Yes. What you do on the Walmart website? What else you can do? Tell me. Or maybe Amazon you are using, maybe some other good websites in your area. What you do on the websites? MJ, which website you use to order the toys for your kids? MJ, yes, tell me which website you use. Atul, which is cheap?
I don't have children. First of all.
Sorry.
No problems. But really.
Maybe for your niece or nephew, if you order something, your parents, your family.
Mostly Instagram, really.
Okay. So what you can do on the Instagram? Tell me. Okay. You can order. That's fine. What else?
Chat.
Okay. What else? No problem. Khushbu, what you do on the website? What else you can do on the website?
I can add or update details.
Okay.
My own details, login details, and
okay.
I can check my history.
Next.
What I have purchased.
Next.
And I can log into Prime and watch videos.
Okay. Next.
And
Many
yeah, I think
rich people
still
are
left.
here. Okay, good, no problem. Now the point is that you guys are just thinking on a one direction. I was expecting some answer that Atul, we can raise the incident as well from the portal.
Oh yes, yeah.
Priya, you said that you're using Amazon. If you don't like the product, do you go to the Amazon office to return that part?
No.
No, Atul. Then how you do that part? So the same, right?
Yes.
Right? Before purchasing any product, how many of you check the rating and review on that website? Almost everybody. Khushbu, Priya, specifically when you want to purchase some outfits, the clothing part specifically, you check the rating. So do you go to some other place in the market and say, hey, give me the feedback of this? No, just open the website and check the review and the ratings. Right? The thing is that why I put this question and ask everybody, want to know that how much thinking we'll be expending now in our areas. EB, tell me one thing. If you order something from the Walmart and it's not a good product, do you go to the Walmart center to return that part or you do the online?
I do it online.
Do it online. Then why you did not tell me?
I
You
totally
did
forgot
not.
that part.
You return that product, you get a refund.
Yes.
Did you go to the bank to get a refund or it's online?
No.
It's online, right?
Yeah.
So these many things you can do, which I want to know from your side. If you can do this thing in the other places, the same thing you can do on the website as well. I'll give you an example. Let me come here. How to configure router. Okay. Or how to configure email in Outlook. Let me show you this thing. This is a Microsoft website. Okay. From this website, you can order the Microsoft products. Like you can see, Office 365 you can purchase, Xbox, Windows, Office you can purchase. What else you can do? You can get a help as well from the people. This concept, the written this written text is called the knowledge articles. If I go to the Amazon and say how to set up laptop, maybe you get some knowledge article because it's a website. They're just selling the products. They're not keeping anything like that. But you will get the knowledge articles as well. Maybe in the Walmart website you go how to get a refund. We are enough smart. We are enough mature. We know that where to go. But if I'm new in this country and I don't know that what is the policy they are using for the refund, like you cannot return the some of the clothing parts, which is not recommended by any of the store. You cannot return the perfumes. It is one open. They cannot be accepted to be return that part. How you come to know those things? Like if I go here and I click on the where I should go. I don't have a card, sign in. Okay, like this. Okay, let me explore Amazon business account primary. Let me put like this here, return policy. Now if I open this, my God, they have a book as well for this. Come on. Okay, now like this. These are the review you can go through. These are kind of I can say you can get the knowledge article as well. How to refund, when to refund, how the amount will become back in my account, where it will become back in my account. All these things you can do on a website, on the app as well. Clear the fundamental here that why we are talking about this service portal in depth. Because all these things, placing an order, raising an incident, checking the review, checking the articles or knowledge, everything you can do in the ServiceNow portal as well. You can do everything is here. Very simple. Nobody tell. Atul, on the website you can search as well like this. I want to search MacBook.
Can we also open this service portal without instance?
Yes, you can open.
Okay, and what is the URL for that?
/sp.
No, so it is through the instance, without the instance.
Without instance, what do you mean by without instance?
Just ServiceNow portal, like any other website. Can we open it?
Can you check in a hotel where you don't have a room book?
Okay, so it's not like how we have a URL for Amazon.
Yes.
It is okay. It is only through the instance. Okay.
Through the instance only. You have a app as well. There's a mobile app available. Let me show you that part as well. Maybe you can try in this part.
Okay.
Google Play Store. Okay. And let me open the Google Play Store and go to the Google Play Store and search for the ServiceNow app agent. This one. Okay.
ServiceNow app agent.
If you download it, I already installed on my laptop. Sorry, on my mobile phone. If you download it, put this URL for the connection. This one. Okay, and use your username and the password to connect it.
Okay, the one that you have given us.
Yes, and then you can access the complete instance on your mobile as well. But a limited will be there because we have to be configure this mobile app. As of now, it is not be configured 100%.
Okay.
Okay, so you can use that, but nowadays companies are using this app as well. Okay, so now let me come back here. So this is the basic fundamental which I want to put a base for you for the next class. Is everybody clear on this base now? Or any doubt, any question? Tell me guys. Dipsy, Khushbu, MJ, Ugo, Gloria, EB, Priya.
Hi, Atul.
Yes, MJ, go ahead, please.
I have a question, but it's not related to this particular topic.
Okay, tell me.
Okay. I think like 2 days ago or 3 days ago, you asked how to change the image of the login page, like the background image.
Yes.
Man, I've tried and I don't seem to get it.
No problem.
I could only do for the service portal, but the ServiceNow instance login background.
Okay, we'll discuss that part, MJ. Okay, because now I'm going to start the test, so don't worry. I have a list of questions now.
All right.
Okay, so anybody has any doubt, any question here, guys?
Yes, same as her. I also tried, but nothing changed. I don't know why. So I try and change the colors and the image, but nothing changed for me as well.
No problem. We will see.
On
So
your instance, yes.
Let's close today's topic first, and then we'll go for this question answer part. Okay, and don't divide to me from the test. Test will be there definitely. Okay, No other questions, so let's get ready for the test, guys. Switch on your videos quickly and log into the instance. Quick, switch on the videos and ready for the test, guys. Quick, quick, quick. And who will share the screen? EB, all the best. And remember, today answer is not all the answer for the task. Okay, get ready. Khushbu, Priya, Dipsy, Gloria, open quickly, quickly. Okay, to whom I should say? Priya, share your screen. And everybody will guide to Priya that how to get this answer done. Great. The first question. I want to see the incidents which has been created 1 month ago from the current date. I have a requirement. I want to see the list of incidents which has been created 1 month ago. How you will put the filter condition for this? You can provide your inputs, guys, to Priya, Gloria, EB, Omiko, Dipsy, Ugo, MJ, and also you can try at your side as well. Try this option. The simple question is that I want to see the incidents which has been created 1 month ago, or between, or I can say from today date minus last 30 days. How I can do that part? Khushbu, MJ, please start working. Do it at your side, guys. Priya, be smart. Write it here. What you're looking for. Start typing. It will search for you instead of drop down. Yes. What field you'll be looking for? Khushbu, what do you think? How it can be done?
Created by.
Okay. Then what next?
Looking for it.
Try at your side. EB, try. Dipsy, EB, MJ, Ugo, please try. Today is Friday and I have a time. So no worries. I can take it for the next 1 hour class. Think, Priya, think. I want the incident which has been created in the last 30 days. Today I'm on the 7th, 8th of July. Tomorrow, if I go to the 9th of July, I should be able to find out or see the tickets. Okay, on the last month. Okay. Click on the run. Don't save, click on the run. What this query is written. It is showing that how many incident has been created in the last month, not the difference from today's and the 7th of June.
So we can also check for created by.
Why created by? I'm not looking for the created by, I'm looking for the created date.
No, then we can select. Okay, let me check.
I did not. My simple ask. I want to see the ticket number which has been created from today minus 30 days. That's all.
Okay.
EB, what is your answer? Unmute yourself. You're speaking on mute, EB.
From the funnel, search for created is less than 30 or more than 30.
How you will do?
Is created is more than then. In the place of on, put more than, and then
Priya put more than instead of the operator, put the more than. Are you sure? EB, are you sure?
And then the place of today, you put 30 days.
Think.
Click on the hours and change it to.
Put hours. Priya, put what EB is saying, put. She's saying change the hours.
2 weeks. Wow. A month.
Wrong.
Change it to months. Let's
No,
see.
it's not that. What it will return? It will say that how many incident whose age is more than these many weeks or these many days.
Oh.
My question is that I want to see the incidents which has been created today minus 30 days.
Yes, so it should be created on. No, not on actually. Created before.
Okay.
Not
Put it
before.
before.
Not before. Let me just.
Ugo and MJ, what do you think?
That.
Could it be created at or after 8th of
at
June
After.
2022?
Okay. Put after. Put after.
At or after?
Okay.
After.
Okay. Click on this part, Priya. After what? Last month.
Or you can use the calendar to select.
Why not between?
In between you have to fix the values. You cannot be random one.
Okay.
If
Or
I
you
run
can use
this,
the calendar icon to select the dates, 8th of June.
Because if you do between this month, it's give you 1 month.
okay. Try this thing, Priya. Put instead of after, put the between. And she's saying between last month. Okay. And today. But in this case, it will consider the whole June. But I want it should be considered from the 7th June to the 8th July. I'm very specific on my requirement.
So that means we have to add another cell.
What cell?
To put in the specific dates.
Where you will put the specific dates?
Can you click on that, the calendar?
Put the calendar, Priya. How
yes. So that we can go back to June.
It will take us. But EB, in this case, if you run this command or run this query tomorrow, it will not work for you, right? Because you have specific dates.
Okay.
Then what? Okay. Do one thing. In the operator, select the created, select the relative. Yes. Operator Pooja. Pooja, I'm saying Priya. Operator, yes, this is the operator. Put relative. Yes. Now put before. Instead of minutes, put month. And before month, there is a checkbox available, right? Put 30 and run now. This is the command which we use. What it will do? It is a Java. It created JavaScript. Now, if you see, why it's showing this? Okay, updated one. Now put the created date as well in the filter in the list view. List view, Priya, list view. Go to the gear icon before this action. Yes, put the created as well. Yes, bring it on the top, on the top. Yep, that's all. Now see, is any incident here which is created before 6th of June? You will not find it here. Okay, why is it in the 19th as well?
We can see some for September.
Yes, even I can see how it's be working.
2018.
Created ago 30 days. Okay, we are saying, oh, come on, just put on the this.
30 months. Yeah.
Right. My
You have
bad.
selected 30 months.
Click on the funnel icon. Put the days instead of the months. Yes. And now click on the run. And now see. Hey, still I'm able to see. Why it's showing 18th as well? Come on. 30 days ago. I'm surprised that why it's showing me like 2018 as well. It should not be actually. Created JavaScript days ago, 30 days ago. Okay, click on this funnel icon again. Before 30 days ago, just click on the instead of the ago, go to the last part. From now, click on the run. Now it's correct. So you can see up to 7th June it is be finding out. Okay, the reason is that to telling you this particular option that there are multiple operators available which you can check, which you can find out, which you can do the exercise. Okay, the next part. Open the incident form. Right click on the state. What I can say. Show state, the last option. Yes. Tell me one thing. If you see the attributes, close state 7 and 8, default close state number 7, default work state number 2. What this 7, 8 and 2 indicate here, and from where it is picking up the value. Tell me guys, you have to give me the answer. What this number 7 and 8 indicate and from where it has been picking up the value.
From the priority.
Where the priority? Tell me quick. No answer become the homework for you guys. Check the choices for this, Priya. Open the choices. Right click and choice. No, choice. I said choice. Show choices, right? Not configure choices. Show choices. Yep, show choices, right. Here you can see the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have a question. Why they have this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? EB, what do you think?
Is the status.
No, it's not a status. No.
It's what?
No.
But the values don't, a lot of them have the same value and they don't have the same meaning. Like some 4 says cancelled, another 4 says completed with errors.
You are on the track, but I'm looking for the right words from you now. Ugo, Dipsy, Gloria, why the values are important here? You are consultant, my dear friends. You have to be answer it. Priya, you are not here just a scholar. Give me the answer.
The state.
What state?
The state of the request.
No. Priya, what do you think? Why the values are there? Number 4th column I'm talking, Priya. Why the values are there? So service now says that state is one of the field which is available in almost all the records. Incident, change, problem, request, and knowledge, I can say on the broader level. New is the state which is applicable for everywhere. Close is a state which is applicable for everyone. Cancel is a state which is applicable for everyone. And to avoid the confusion in the development part, they put a value against every state. So being a developer, I will not say that if state is equal to new. No, I'll put if incident state has a value is equal to 1. Then it will be show me the new state. So now if you put a filter here, Priya, on the table search for not in the table search. Yes, put incident. Incident spelling is wrong. And be a smart guys now. Don't go to the funnel again and do everything. So now you can see that if I'm a developer and I'm working on the incident table and I want that some action to be done on the new state, I will use the value instead of going for the label as a new, because this label can be used in the change as well. This label.
But it's not the same that we were looking at, right? Because it's not the same. Like here we have value 3 on hold.
Right.
Previously, it was completed.
That was the table also different.
In the change.
If you remove the search from the incident. Yep, remove it and enter it and press enter. Okay, now do one thing. Go to the new state label. Go to the label new state. Label Priya. New, in the label you have a new, right? Down. Yes, right click. Show matching. So now you can see the new is the label which has been used in the multiple tables, and every place the values be different, so that a developer can understand that which label I have to be used, which value have to be used in this incident or in this record. If developer is working on the change, he will use the -5. If developer is working on the incident, he will use the 1. If he is working on the KB a task, he will work on the value 1. To differentiate, to make it easy. Remember that example? Searching via name is more tough. Searching via employee ID, phone number is little easy. So this is the concept they have put it here. Good. Now the question comes from where the login page is coming, right? What do you think, Priya, from where the login page is coming? Go to the application navigator. Search for the login. No, nothing there. Search for the UI pages. UI space pages. Yes, open it. And answer to your question, Khushbu and MJ, you say that Atul, we tried to change the image, but it is not working for us. In this case, the reason can be it is coming from some property as well. You have to dig out that which system properties it is picking up. Sometime there's a lot of things which you cannot change from the drop downs or something like this. This come from the system properties somewhere in the property. So you have to dig out now. So now this is the page which we call the UI pages. Just search here for the login star.login has asterisk.login. Let's see, do we have something? It's a auth login. It's a web client login. Open this web client login. I'm not sure that this is the right page we're talking or not, but still I can show you something. Something I can say it is be there. Okay, do one thing, log out from the instance. See, it has a coming from the page navpage.do. Right? It's a navigation page dot do. Login Priya now. And now there's a hint for you guys. Search for navigation page and then try to make the changes on the front end. Khushbu, MJ, Ugo, Dipsy, Gloria, EB and Priya. Priya put this as a homework as well. I'm not sure that from where is this is coming. I have no guarantee, guys. That is your homework. Last question for today. How I can see and where I can see that how many user logged in my instance. Priya, don't do anything. Please unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Where you can go and see that I need to be checked how many user has been logged in my instance. MJ. Priya, think and come on the screen directly. Come on the service now screen here. MJ, tell me answer. Ugo, what is the answer for this? Where I can go and check that how many user has been logged in my account, in my instance. It is like you want to know that how many people entered in your house in the last 30 days.
So is it in user admin?
I have no idea.
In user?
I'm asking question. There's no point to say I think. It is a yes or no. It's the right way or wrong way.
Yeah, this is the right way.
You're in the exam, Khushbu. Okay, follow Priya. Follow the Khushbu instructions. Then tell. Khushbu, speak please.
Yes. User admin, logged in users. And then you will open the list, and where it is true, then that person is logged in. Is it?
Yes, open it.
Yeah, so this is the list of the people who are logged in currently.
There's a no concern to the people, Khushbu. It's a users.
Users, yeah, users.
Yep. So here you can see that how many users has been logged in. Okay. Like this way you can see when the last access they have done. Okay, good. You should know that from where you can check all this detail. And the last question for today, and then we close the class. From the last 2 weeks, we are talking about the table level discussions. I have a user table, I have a group table, I have a role table, I have an incident table, task table, CNDB table. What do you mean by M2M table? Let me type in the chat window. M2M. What is M2M table, guys? EB, let me start from you. Don't say it's a task table. What is M2M table? Unmute yourself. EB, you're on the mute.
It's a many-to-many relationship table.
What do you mean by the many-to-many relationship?
Like there are two tables that kind of contain like many-to-many relationships.
I'm in the class 1 and you are teaching me the class 10th syllabus. Be a layman side. How will explain that? What is M2M?
They kind of have the same information, but
give me the example.
mm,
Did
like if you're trying to reference from another table?
No.
Mm,
Did we done something on the M2M table till now, guys? Any idea? MJ, Ugo, Dipsy, Gloria. Rest nobody will speak. Let these guys speak now. From a long time they'll be not speaking. MJ. EB says M2M stands for the many-to-many relationship. Now the question come, did we guys use this concept in our course till date or not? Answer is yes or no.
no.
Okay. MJ, what do you think? Ugo, answer is yes or no. Gloria, maybe you can type in the chat window. Dipsy. Khushbu.
No idea.
No idea, no problem. Khushbu.
Not sure.
Not sure. Priya.
No idea.
Why no idea? MJ says yes. Come on, good MJ. Can you give me the example of MJ for the same? MJ, can you give me the example? Which
To be
table?
honest, I'm not too sure.
Oh my God, you are saying yes and now you're saying not sure.
Like one of the
I'm just
tables
trying
can
to
be the
browse.
incident table, and then another one can be the request table.
No,
But we
no.
haven't.
So let's not talk from the transactional data. If I say yes, we have done this concept. Okay, Priya, open your instance, open your user profile. You can do it from the PB as well, instead of going here. No problem. Now you open your user ID. It's Priya batch 8. Yes, now you're a smart girl. Good. Click on these 3 lines before the your name. Yes. And click on the view. Change to the default view. Okay. Good. Now, Priya is a user. Priya, how many roles you have? Scroll down and check how many roles you have. 53 roles. Do you think only Priya has these roles? Not EB, not Khushbu, not MJ? No, everybody has these roles. This is the concept of the many to many. A group has a many members and many members has a part of the group as well. That is a concept of M2M table in the service. Now, EB, the example you are saying, incident and the change and the problem. This is also the example of the M2M. Priya, go to Google and just search M2M tables in service now. Yep, open it. I'm not sure that you will get the answer here or not. Yep, you can see here. What is this M2M? Many-to-many relationship allow a list to point a list of entries rather than a single field. This is the concept of the many-to-many. It is a very big concept in service now. When you want to build a relationship with the multiple things, then we use the M2M table. Little bit read about this article. Okay. With this, done for the test today? Any doubt, any question, any clarification? You can ask me. Thank you. I'm taking the screen back now. Okay, no questions. So let me stop the recording, guys, and we'll have a quick attendance now.